Welcome guys to our another new tutorial video. Here in today's video, I will show you how to create a Trust Badge section in your Shopify store. If you notice, I have added a Trust Badge section to my Shopify store, where I have highlighted some trust points, such as free shipping, product quality, about payment secure, and customer support. This way here, you can easily add your business Trust Badge texts with icons. You can also change your Trust Badge icon width, as well as you can change section margin, heading font and paragraph font size, background color, and every point you can change as per your requirements. And you will not get this Trust Badge section feature in Shopify free theme. I will show you step by step how you can create this Trust Badge section into your Shopify store. So, without further ado, let's start today's video. As you can see, I'm currently in the Shopify admin dashboard. Today, I will show you how to do this on the free Dawn theme in Shopify. If you have any other theme, then you can do it in the same way. After coming to your Shopify admin dashboard, then click on the online store from the left side. Then click this three-dot icon. Then click Edit Code. If you are not familiar with coding in Shopify, my suggestion is to first duplicate your theme. If you make a mistake in your theme while coding, you can use this duplicate theme as a backup. Now I'm going to click on the Edit Code. Then you will see some folders and files here on the left. First close these files and folders. Then click on this section folder. Then click on Add a new section. Then select on this liquid option and type the file name Trust Badge. Then click on the Done button. Then you will see some default codes here. First, delete all these codes and paste here our new code. And that's the code which we will be using, and I will provide the code in the video description and first comment. You just need to copy the code and paste it where I'm going to show you. So copy this all code and go back to your previous tab and paste it into the Trust Badge section that we created. Then click on the Save button to save your changes. We are done. Now we will add the Trust Badges from Theme Customization. So to do this, click on this Exit button, then click on Customize. Now we will add our Trust Badge section here. First click on this Add section, then scroll down a bit, then you will get this Trust Badge section. Click on this Trust Badge section to add in our home page. Then click on this Add Trust Badge. Then you will see our first Trust Badge is added. Now we will just add our own content here. So to do this, click on this Free Shipping, then upload your own icon here. Then add your heading text and describe heading text here. After adding your content, then click on this three-dot icon, then click on Duplicate. Then go back and click on this Duplicated Free Shipping. Then just replace all this content here. After replacing all content, then again click on this three-dot icon, then click on Duplicate. Then go back and click on this Duplicated Quality. Then same way replace all the content here. After add your all Trust Badge, then go back. Then click on this Trust Badge GM, and from here you can change every specific point as per your requirements. After completing everything, click on this Save button to save your changes. I hope guys you all enjoyed this tutorial video. If the video was helpful to you, please like the video and share your opinion in the comment box. This is our new channel. If you want to regularly get such helpful videos for free, then subscribe to our channel.